Hi and welcome back to my daily market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday, the 24th of November. We're going to move on to cable now and had a bit of volatility in cable yesterday. The moves that we saw, as you can see on this on the slide that we've got, the moves that we saw yesterday were interesting actually because you had a lot of volatility, but essentially we're still breaking out and holding on to the breakout. And I said buy into weakness yesterday. Well, that proved to be the case, and you saw a reaction low around 32.65 yesterday. And it was quite a strong move that we saw on the initial breakout, but then his sharp move to the downside actually shows it best on the hourly chart. After we had the US flash PMI data. US flash PMI data came out much stronger than expected, pulled the dollar sharply higher, pulled cable sharply lower, but then the market has since recovered from that. A series of positive risk appetite aspects have come in. Janet Yellen being Biden's choice as his Treasury Secretary certainly has helped to drive that move. And we've seen that the cable rate has just regained some of its upside momentum. You saw a positive candle actually complete yesterday despite the volatility, and we're still hugging the top of this trend channel. As I said previously, I don't necessarily think that this trend channel is going to break decisively higher in the absence of a Brexit trade agreement. And the Brexit trade agreement is looking a little bit hazy at the moment, whether they're going to actually just agree on some sort of skeleton deal. So it's still a bit choppy, and you need to be a little bit cautious as to whether the market might get a bit disappointed on that news if that were to be the case. So that is the risk, I think, at the moment. But for now, we're still trending higher on these in this uptrend channel, and the technicals all look pretty positive. So you'd be looking to still, I think, buy into the weakness on cable. You can see on this hourly chart, higher lows, higher highs. Anytime you get the reaction to the downside, that finds support and then is bought into again. You've got positive momentum on the hourly chart still. And I think we're still looking okay in that regard. Dollar weakening and sterling positive pretty much at the moment. And I think we've got to still continue to play that line whilst we're waiting out for a Brexit trade agreement. And if you zoom in here, you can see that that channel continues to run, and we're sort of eyeing the 34 big figure level. That was yesterday's high, but also 34.80, which is this resistance from early September, and that could well be tested, I think, if we continue to run this channel higher, which it certainly looks as though the market is prepared to do for now. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. You can click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.